the socks I got from the mail. So yesterday I bought some rice for my brother. I bought a rice cooker for my brother, and because the old one I had that for like since 2012, the first time I arrived here, so that's long expired or retired. So I bought a new one. Now you can stay with it because it's very dark. So I bought a new one, and this is a Kambrook. Yeah, Kambrook rice cooker. So I'll show you what's inside. So this is the box. Here's the box. It's got some instructions. But I don't need instructions. I'm using this. Actually, this one's got a manual. Oh, you can also steam vegetables in this. That's good. There you go. So it comes with a. So that's comes with. And it's got 12-month warranty. So very good. Ta-da! Oh, this is actually cute. It's got a lid. Rice Express. Of course it's got a lid. Duh. It's got a lid. What's the face here? This is the steamer. Very plasticky. So it's very little. The size of this is 8 cups. Whatever it says there. It's got a small cup. Rice cup. Of course it's a rice cooker. One. Oh, it's actually cute. It's actually big. I was thinking it's small.
Rice for more every day.
Rice for more every day. And the color is pretty. Should we have in one month? There's a lot more colors there. And this is it. Now where's the spatula? They say it comes with a spatula. Oh, there it is.
You hungry?
Nah.
What's for lunch?
Not really.
Rice?
No, not again.
No?
Makes you constipated.
You gotta try it today.
Oh yeah. So I'm gonna try it today. Actually the color is actually good color, isn't it?
Mm.
So this is the Kambrook 8 cups rice cooker. I bought it from BigW for like $39 only, so it's pretty basic. Made in China.
And it's guaranteed.
12 months guarantee. Have you got a receipt for this?
600 hours of continuous testing and still serving up fluffy rice. 600 hours.
600 hours of rice.
Oh,
So?
yeah, the Zoom.
Did you?
Yeah, right now.
So I bought this for my brother. So he can have rice while he's still here.
And who else?
And sometimes for myself. I don't feel like eating rice anymore. Sometimes if I do cook some rice, it's good because it's got a steamer and it's not that big. So I'm gonna make some puto and rice. I'll try and test for lunch today with pancit yan. So this is it. And it also comes with a recipe if you log into their website. So that's the Kambrook rice cooker. I'll see you later guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.